Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute puppy ice cream. So let's start. First, draw a half circle, but leave 2 gaps, like this. We will make ear in the gap. Now draw some wavy lines and connect it to the other side. Just draw like me, and it will look very beautiful. Now let's draw the ear. Draw like a pyramid and connect the line. Well done, now draw the other ear also. Draw a curved line and connect it. Good job, now draw a curvy triangle inside the ear. Look, we draw the ear. Now draw the other ear also. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw the lower part of ice cream. Draw a big curved line and make it like a box. Well done, now draw the stick of ice cream. Just draw like me, and it will look very cute. Now let's draw a cute face. Draw a circle, then slowly fill black color. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing, and look, we draw the puppy eyes. Now draw a cute heart-shaped nose. Then draw a happy smile. Draw 2 curved lines and make a cute tongue. To make it more cute, draw a heart shape on ice cream. Well done, now draw 2 heart shape outside. Draw the first heart big. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Then draw a small heart shape. Look how pretty it's looking. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use blue color on lower part of ice cream. Color the outline first, then slowly fill blue color. Color very carefully, and don't color on the heart shape. You can also use different colors you like. Use different color and make your own creation. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Lastly, color on the ears also. Slowly fill the color, and it's done. Good job, now color the upper part also. I'm use yellow color, but you can also use different color. Use different color and make your own creation. Color carefully and don't color outside the ice cream. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Color the outline of the eyes. Then you will not make any mists. You know what? Yellow and blue color look very beautiful. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now color the ice cream stick. Use brown color and carefully fill the color. Good job, we almost complete the drawing. Now use red color and color the tongue. Color also on the heart shape. Color very carefully and don't make any mistake. Now color on the two hearts. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color the small heart also. Well done, it's looking very cute. Now make the ice cream shiny. Use white color and make a white circle on the eyes. Draw a white circle on both eyes. Then draw a line on the blue part. Just color like me, and it's done. Now let's make some sprinkler. You can use many color and make the sprinkler. I'm using blue color and making some line. Now use red color and draw some small line. You can also make circle if you want. Lastly, use pink color and make random line. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and delicious it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.